What's up, guys and gals? We're out here at the De Anza College Mopar Swap Meet and Mopar Alley Car Show. Well, E-Body Ed here selling his stuff. He's got his two daughters out here. I just bought some stuff myself for Warbird. I'm just out here checking the stuff out, seeing if there's any good deals. A lot of cool cars here. A lot of good stuff, but I mean, a lot of people didn't make it because of gas prices and stuff like that, so totally understandable. Just it is what it is. Definitely some cool cars around here, that's for sure. So definitely a lot of money rolling around in this parking lot. So we're probably at about a minute. We'll go to like 2 minutes. So, oh boy. Old 340 Duster. Couple of Road Runners. There's an old Highway Patrol car. 4-door. Chargers. Barracudas. All kinds of good stuff here. An old 60s, mid 60s Barracuda. Small block. Looking pretty good. Done up pretty nice. 66. A lot of nice cars. Some Road Runners. Barracudas. Pretty neat stuff here. Got some AMXs and stuff like that. Some Pacers, AMXs all down there. A little bit of everything. So, pretty cool. We'll see you later.